my name is Akriti. Welcome to my new channel Bug Era. So recently I have read this book written by an amazing author Novanil Chakrabarti, and I think he has a very simple writing. Although I am no one to judge him, but still I was really impressed by his writing. It has one of the best series that I've read and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So as I said that it is the series, so I think No O'Neill has a strategy to gain new readers or keep the readers curious that what can happen in the last book. Genre is romantic and thriller. Anyone can read it. It's very simple and in a very normal language. So the first part of the book is Marry Me Stranger. So it has the protagonist named Rivana Banerjee, who is followed by, or you can say who is stalked by a stranger. So the first part of the book is all about that she is moving to a new city because of her job, and also she has a boyfriend. So she's curious and excited to meet him every time if she wants to, whenever she wants to, because at her home she feels restrictions by her parents, and so she came to know that her boyfriend is cheating on her, and she breaks up with him, and she's in memories with him all the time. She's depressed. The first part is all about this, and the second part is All Yours Stranger. So in this part she thinks that she's not made for love, she cannot handle it, and she will not fall in love with anyone else because she's depressed and everything. So finally she meets a boy who is her neighbor, and her roommates and all of them just stalk them and have dreams of him. So the boy and Rivana both fell in love with each other once again, and they are like they so used to be into each other, and finally when the stranger was following her, stalking her all the time, stranger does not want her to get married to his new boyfriend. So he used to threat her that she should leave him, but she doesn't listen to a stranger. This book is all about that. Third book is all about, which is called Forget Me Not Stranger, and this book is all about that strangers reveals his identity finally, after so many struggles of Rihanna asking him to meet him, and she fell in love with him after knowing that he is really protecting him. But as soon as he reveals that who is he, she was really shocked. And I really personally like this book because it has really unusual ending, not like a normal ending or a Bollywood movie ending that hero heroine is meeting after all in the end. But I really liked it. I think you guys also should read it. If you guys don't read or you don't have any habit of reading, Novo O'Neill has this series called Hello Mini on MX Player. You guys can go there and see the series, or I can give the link in the description box. You can go there and buy it from Amazon. And yeah, my personal opinion, you guys should read it, should read it. And if you guys want to see who Novo O'Neill Chakrabarti is, if you don't know, I can also give the Instagram account link of Novo O'Neill. You can go there and check him out, and also send him messages that you have read and all that stuff. So yeah, this was the book that I was reading, and I wanted you guys to know about it and read it. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.